No, you have 20 Bs. You have 20 Bs. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sure. OG Frog alt. Oh, yeah, OG Frog alt. I'm sending it to you. All right. Yanuka first. All right. All right, Yanuka first. I sent you a I sent you a friend request on Roblox. I accepted yours. OG Frog alt. Who is that though? Yeah, yeah. Who's OG Frog alt though? It's not Dude Million. Oh, it's there. It's there. All right, sweet. Galactic Jimmy, you get one now. All right. Yes, I sent friend request. Yes, I sent it. 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 Don't worry. I'm a reset server after this, so join on your main. Sweet. Who do we just trade? Galactic Jimmy?